Hey people, so we are at this place called Moringa, which is you would find it in, there's this place in near Maritpalli, and it's newly opened, and look at the kind of dishes available. Yeah, you can find appams and idiyappams, and it's really cute. I am so glad I came here. Look at this. Actually, it's a place where you are literally practically by the road, and yeah, luckily my child is just there. But this looks like an interesting place to have breakfast. So this place is nice, and take a look. This is the sort of menu card, and it's very reasonable. So I would highly recommend it. It's called Moringa, and it is near AOC Center in Maritpalli, Secunderabad, Hyderabad. So on that note, thanks for watching, and please subscribe.